So YouTube, we out here, man. So I'm finna race a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette C7 Stingray, 7-speed manual transmission versus my automatic Grandsport. So we finna see which one, you should get, man. So yeah, y'all out here, man. If y'all subscribe to the fucking channel, y'all already know what it is, man. This car is clean, man. This is clean. He bone stock, like I said. 7-speed manual transmission, I should say. My apologies. Versus my vet. So me and him gonna do a 40 roll, friendly. See which one. See if the C6 can keep up with the Grandsport. Because people, say that the Grandsport C6 is much slower than the C7, but we finna see. So make sure y'all tune in, man. Which one y'all choosing? C6 or C7? I bet. Alright, man, I'm running him. I'm running him. And I'm running the black fit.
I'll yell. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. That's a good race. That fucking C7 is fucking quick. It is quicker. Good race, bro.
That's good, man. That's good.
That C7 it moves, man.
What's
That C7 move, man.
Yeah, thanks, man. That thing's quick.
Yeah, man. I jacked it the first time. The second one is definitely a better run.
Yeah, oh yeah, that was real good, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, it's good shit. I love that thing.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. It sounds good.
Yeah, but yeah, let's get some pics. I'll pull into the light.
Alrighty, man.
All right, man. I'll follow you on in.
All right.